as many of you know, I'm your manager here at the Wisconsin Riverside Resort. I called you all into this training presentation today to talk to you about the new training system that we're going to be using. The new computer system. We're getting away from the cash registers and everything like that. We're going to be working with a new touchscreen computer system that is not only here to benefit you, but us as managers and the customers as well. This is here to benefit you. It's going to be a fast new system, and I'm sure you all will love it. Aloha. Aloha is a new system we will be using here to help our business grow, and we will help you as employers to work faster and more efficiently. It's quick, fast, and simple. So let's get started. Today we will cover Aloha computer system, but more importantly, you will learn how to work Aloha, how to understand it, and work faster than ever before. You will be able to know all the ins and outs of this system. Over time, you'll feel comfortable enough to where you won't have to ask, and you'll never have to use an old generic cash register again. The new Aloha computer system for food and drink offers new enhancements over previous restaurant computer and cash register systems. You will log on, work transitions, void transactions, and have a better sense of Aloha after this presentation. So what is Aloha? Besides what I've already told you, it being a new computer system that we'll be using, its real definition is Aloha increases speed of service, security and operational costs, reduction features according to Radiant Systems. It is proven to help businesses. First off, by having a quick menu screen, the touch screen option, so all of it will just be through touch screen, no messy buttons that will stick or anything. For every item that I entered, there'll be a button for you. Think about the old cash register that we would use. We would have to type in every price, then we'd have to memorize the prices, and then from there, we would have to wait our turn while each of you were entering in a beer that that person was ordering or anything else like that. This will all change with the Aloha system. We'll have more monitors, quicker transactions can occur. The prices will automatically be up there, so you simply just have to hit a button and the price will be already up there, right on the screen of how it's going to be. Okay, now let's get started on how actually the great functions can help you. All of you will receive a 4-digit code, typically the last 4 digits of your social security number, so it will be easier to remember. Every time you come into work, you'll simply go to one of the monitors, type in your number, a home screen will appear, and you'll be ready to go and make transactions. All you have to do is type in your number. Alright, now let's say 2 of you are working on the same cash register. All you'll simply have to do is once you type in your 4 digits and another person types in their 4 digits, there'll be a rapid login screen with your name on it. So you just hit your name, and that's how it'll be, as you can see here in the PowerPoint. So in other words, remember the PIN, the 4 digits, and you're in. Now let's actually learn how to do something once you're in the Aloha system. The home screen. The home screen will always be, when you're looking at the thing, one on the left side will be where your items are, and on the right side will be the list of categories and the options of what people are going to want to buy. The type of beer, the type of food, the type of non-alcoholic drinks, the cocktails, the wines, all of those. To make this easier for you, we're probably going to have around 10 to 15 categories, such as what I just mentioned, the beer, the alcohol, everything like that. This will be for navigation reasons. Each item will be in one of these categories for quick access. Alright, now we want to make a sale or transaction. What do we do? 3 easy steps. Hit the item you'd like, hit the mode of payment, cash, credit, or check, and close the transaction. That's it. So, you hit the item, click on the item that you wish. If someone ordered a beer or a canned beer or food, go to the categories, the 10 that I was just talking about. It would be under. Select the specific type of beer or type of food the customer would like, and it will appear on the left-hand screen in the item list, what I said before. Then from there, you'll just have to hit the cash, credit, or check option, whatever the customer would like to pay in. From there on, type the amount of cash or the amount of credit or check they're writing out to you and close the transaction. That's it. You made a sale. The home screen will come up back and appear, and you're done. You can go to the next customer. Very quick and easy. Alright, now let's say a customer, you enter in something, a customer changes their mind, and you can't just delete it. You have to void a transaction. Highlight the item you would wish. Let's say you put 2 Bud Lights in, but a customer only wants 1. So highlight one of those Bud Lights. Once the item is highlighted, just click void, which will always be on the home screen as well. Then from there, a pop-up box will appear. And all the pop-up box will be is the types of voiding of why people would want to void things. So you guys know the basic reasons since working here before. But let's just say some of them. Some of them would be spillage, workers wrong item, too much of an item, things like that. So it's simple. With the new option, it gives us an idea of what isn't working well. It helps out our inventory and better track of what is being sold. This is an important option here. Alright, one of my favorite options in the Aloha new screen, which I'm sure you all will love, is the favorite screen, which is on the home screen. It appears on the home screen automatically. It's great for me and you because we'll be able to update it whenever we'd like. I know you're thinking when we order, people always order the typical beers or typical sandwiches, Bud Light or Miller Lite every 30 seconds, and instead of looking for it under can beer, what it looks like, we'll have about 15 to 20 items that will always be on the home screen right next to the items. And instead of going to the category that each thing is actually in, we'll pick the 15 or 20 as a group here that we feel is the most possible in our work here. So we'll put 15 to 20 items up on the board that we sell the most. So instead of going to the category, you just simply click one button and it's there already. This will be more time efficient and quicker for you guys. Also, another key feature is it'll have a logo on it. So whatever the Bud Light logo is, or Miller Lite, or food sandwich, it will have a little sandwich of the chicken sandwich, let's say, and it'll be right there. Is that easy enough? I think it is. As you can see right here in the picture on the PowerPoint, there's 10 to 15 sides on their right-hand screen, and you can see all of their favorites. It's easy, and they'll always be there for easy access. And another key feature is that we can always maintain it. So now that we know how Aloha works, we know how to make a transaction, we know how to void a transaction, we know where our favorites are going to be. Now we just need to know how to maintain it. This quick option of maintaining Aloha is easy. Whenever we want to add a new drink special, a new nightly special, or any new products that we have, a simply manager can fix it and change any item at any time. If we want to change the price, we go into the system and change the price right there. So don't worry about if we have a drink special or night special about changing the price. It'll automatically update when happy hour is, when Tuesday night special wing specials are, it'll be there. So forget about remembering the drink special price and how to make the drink. Recipes will also be there too. It'll be all in the system. Just read the screen. That's all you need to do. Aloha allows fast speed, quickness on the buttons. It's touchscreen, one touch, and the item is there for you. Now let's all go and learn Aloha firsthand. Go to the computer systems and get started. We covered opening it, working on it, and maintaining Aloha. You all should be able to do those things. Do any of you have any questions? If not, I wish you all the best of luck on this new system. I know it will benefit you and everyone as employees, but also as us, the business, and most importantly, the customers. Aloha is the way forward. Thank you all for attending this training presentation.